In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can turn on regional pricing here on Roblox. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But regional pricing adjusts your Game Pass price based on the economic conditions of each country, so players in different regions are going to see a fair price automatically. To actually enable it, begin by going to the Roblox website and go ahead and hit Create up in the very top. And on this left-hand sidebar, just go ahead and scroll down to the Creations tab and choose your experience. This is the one that I have my Game Pass set up for, so I'm going to choose this one right here. But after choosing your experience, go ahead and scroll down to see the Monetization tab over here and select it to expand this right here and choose your passes or whatever item you actually have on here. I'm just going to use a pass as an example, but essentially go ahead and select that pass right here and then go into the sales tab and just find the option for regional pricing and just go ahead and tick it on. Now, if the item is not listed for sale, this is not going to work. So make sure you first list the item for sale, put your price, and then put on that regional pricing. And you can actually see that regional price here as well. If you select view all, it's going to show you exactly how many Robux you're going to get per country right here. It really is as simple as that though. Just make sure you save your changes down at the very bottom and you will be good to go. Just keep in mind Roblox is never going to lower the price more than 30% of your main price, so you'll still make a decent amount of profit. But that is it. If you guys did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before you guys do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.